What's up guys, it's me. So here is an awesome Galaxy Tab 3 S case, the composition bookcase. Why I bought this case? Because it have a S Pen holder. If you don't know, you cannot insert the S Pen because the S Pen is quite thick. There is no slot for the S Pen in the Galaxy Tab S3. Let me take out the case. You can buy this one for around 12 bucks from Amazon. Okay, I mean the first impression seemed quite good. It's made in China, definitely. Designed in USA. Let me fit my tablet. Okay. Wow, I'm impressed. There's a magnet. Wow, it's working. Let me unlock my tablet. Now let me insert my S Pen. Maybe let me see how I can insert it. Maybe something like this. I have no idea, to be honest with you. Okay, yeah, like this. Yeah. So now here the S Pen. Wow, the S Pen is not easy to lose. Let me be honest with you. Maybe I can write my name or something here. The first impression of this case is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I can easily open it and then I can do something like this, right? I can put like this to watch some videos, isn't it? Or I can, use like this. I didn't bought the Galaxy keyboard case because it was a little bit thick. I can use like this maybe to do some kind of web browsing. Okay, maybe yeah, like this. Yeah, maybe some kind of typing, but the case is not standing that well like in this position. Maybe like this it will only work. But overall it's a quite beautiful case. I am absolutely loving this case. You need to be the judge how good is the case. For me, this is an absolutely beautiful looking case. Again, you need to be the judge.